If you haven't done so yet, make sure you pause the video and attempt to solve the question on your own before listening on. Perhaps the best thing to do to solve this question would be to draw a picture. We'll notice that the ball was initially thrown straight downward, and because it was thrown at the top of the building, we know that the initial position of the ball, which we can call y sub 0, is equal to 36.6 meters. The ball then reaches the top of a window that's located 12.2 meters above the surface, and so we can call that the final position, and that will be the 12.2 meters. We can next consider the following equation from kinematics. The variable that we're most interested in this case is v, the final velocity of the ball at its final position down here at 12.2 meters. We have essentially all the known values. Just note that the acceleration, because this ball is in free fall, is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So we'll go ahead and plug in all the known values and then later try to solve for v. So here are all the values plugged in. We'll simplify the left side as well as this block of terms here. We could then subtract 19.6 from both sides of the equation. And then finally, when we divide both sides by 2, we get negative 22 meters per second for the final velocity of the ball at that final position. Now the question doesn't want the final velocity, it wants the final speed. And of course, speed is simply the absolute value of the velocity. So if we take the absolute value of the velocity, we're going to get positive 22 meters per second. And that is indeed the final speed of the ball. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you'd like to, please subscribe to the channel so you could stay tuned for additional videos. Also, you're welcome to send in your own question to the email address shown on the screen.